So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find listings with an elevator in them here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, what I want you to do is to actually select an area. So I'll just go to Los Angeles for this example, and then I'll go ahead and press on search. Now, the reason why I have this phrased as an elevator in listings, not a home, is because obviously not all homes, or I guess very few homes, probably have an elevator in them, where more so maybe some buildings would, as an example. So, regardless, though, whatever the case may be, if you want to go to filters right here, then just scroll down to where it says home features. Where it says elevator, make sure that elevator is selected. Then go to the bottom right and press on see homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different listings that do have an elevator in them. So this could be a house, a complex, whatever the case may be. But regardless, that is how you guys can find a listing with an elevator in it here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.